Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular video, I'm going to guide you through the application process, how to fill the application process, a step-by-step procedure. So be with me for 5 minutes in this video. You haven't subscribed my channel yet, then you can subscribe to the channel because it's a very good platform. I have already uploaded so many informative details, so you can have a watch on those on my channel. So let's get this started. So first of all, it will be happening in online mode. It will get available in the coming week in couple of days. Okay, and first you have to fill the online application form, and if you have done any kind of mistake, then there is a window for a rectification of those mistakes. Okay, so it will be going on, and the process will be happening over a couple of weeks of time. So they will give 15 to 16 days of time from the date of from the date when the application form is available. Okay, so you can do the correction as well, so don't worry if you do any mistake. So what you need to have with you need to have passport photograph and signature you need to do in cursive, not in capital letters or just you write name, not like that. It need to be proper signature as you put on the PAN card, and you have to have 6 month back, maximum 6 month old photograph. So you need to be ready with those documents. Okay, so if you do any kind of mistake or the application form is incomplete, it will get rejected. Don't worry, in the later part of video I will give you each and every step by step procedure. So all informations, once you do the filling, it will be mailed to you, it will be sent to your email ID and phone number. So phone number and email ID, whichever you give in the application form while filling it, it should be active, and please give only that in phone number which is personal to you. When you go for the counseling process, the same phone number will be required. So make sure that you give the functional phone number, and there is no need to send anything through courier or post because it's going to happen in online mode. Okay, and last step, you need to take the printout of the filled application form for your future reference. Okay, so candidate must keep below documents. So what documents you need to have: MBBS or and provisional MBBS degree certificate, because these things you need to upload. Any of ID proof such as Aadhaar card, driving license, valid email ID and phone number, very important. You need to have the functional phone number which you should be using at least for by end of the counseling process. Multiple passport size photograph and signature. I will tell you the size of the photograph as well in the later slides. Left hand thumb impression and MCI recognition registration actually, and the debit card and credit card for payment of the application form. So candidate will be able to fill the application form through online mode. Okay, and you can do the payment of the application fee through credit card or debit card. The amount that you need to pay for general categories 3,750, and for a reserved category like SC, ST or OBC is 2,750. Once you have done the payment, it can't be refunded, so it's not refundable. And what is the eligibility criteria? So your qualification must be MBBS or provisional MBBS degree you must have by a recognized MCI recognized college. Okay, registration certificate you must be able to have because they will ask you to upload it. So candidates must have permanent or provisional registration certificate of MBBS qualification issued by MCI, and internship. So your 1 year internship must be completing by 31st of March 2021. So how to fill the NEET 2021 application form? Now I am telling you each and every process step by step. So the first step, visit the official website. Okay, in the later video I will give you the official website. In the new registration section, click So yeah, actually I will be creating a separate video with slides. So, and it's very obvious that you need to click on the new registration, read all the instruction and click on proceed button, the checkbox you need to check, and then proceed for the next page. Registration page will be displayed, and fill the following details. What details you need to fill? The personal details, your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your category, general category or whichever you belong, whichever category you come from, date of birth, nationality Indian, and place of birth. Address details, permanent and correspondence address, both you need to fill, and Aadhaar card number. You need to have the ID card and you need to enter it. For ID proof, you can carry your Aadhaar card and date of issue. Those details they will be asking. Contact details, email ID, mobile number, I have already mentioned. After entering all the details, click save and proceed. Candidate ID will be generated. So this is very important step. One candidate ID will be generated once you enter these details, and that candidate ID you need to remember, because that candidate ID is unique reference ID, will be used for the further processes. Candidate ID and password will be sent to candidate register email ID and mobile number. Okay, that's why these two details, email ID and mobile number, need to be functional as long as the counseling proceeds. Now coming to next step, you need to log into the portal with the given candidate ID and password. So fill the following qualification details. Now you need to enter your qualification, education qualification, academic details, internship details, and medical registration details. Okay. Third step, you need to do the payment. Candidate will have to pay the application fee through online mode via debit card or credit card, net banking. I have told the amount for category wise. After successfully payment is done, you need to take the print of payment receipt. The fourth step is you need to choose the city. Candidate will be required to select the state and city for examination center. It's very important where you want your examination center to be. Coming to the fifth step, for document upload. So candidate will be required to upload scanned document. First one, image of photograph, signature, and left hand thumb impression of the following specification. Photograph must be between 50 to 100 kb. If you happen to have a bigger photograph, then you can compress it. Just Google it how to compress JPG image. There will be many portals there you can compress and reduce the size between 50 to 100 kb. Signature, it will be in cursive, and then take photograph or scan it, and then you need to upload. Thumb impression you have to upload. The sixth and last step is to print the application form. After everything is done, then you have to take the printout for your future reference, and you must remember the candidate ID and password. And I would suggest you to fill each and every details on your own. Don't give the ownership of filling the application form to any counselor or anybody who is asking you that give it to me, I will fill each and every on your behalf, because it's a very personal information, and somebody can misuse, or if you happen to forget the details, then you can be in serious trouble zone later point of time. Okay, so if you are still with me, then I would ask you to like the video and wait for some other videos that will coming in the future. It's going to be very informative. So if you have any kind of doubt, I have given the number 9319128677, and you can call us to the number for the paid services as well. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.